Hi everyone, my name is Carlos Balmaceda and welcome to my YouTube channel SQL Portfolio, where I want to help you become a skilled data analyst and create an impressive portfolio. In this video, I will be discussing statistical analysis and go over the mean, median, and mode concepts. So what is statistical analysis? Well, it's the process of collecting, organizing, summarizing, interpreting, and presenting data to uncover patterns, trends, and insights to make informed decisions or draw meaningful conclusions. Imagine you're opening an ice cream shop, and to ensure its success, you conduct a survey to identify the most popular ice cream flavor among customers. After getting the results, you use the mean to calculate the average rating for each flavor, the median function to find the middle value in the set of ratings, which can be useful when extreme values may skew the mean. Finally, you use the mode function to determine which is the most popular flavor. By using statistical analysis, you can cater to your customer preferences. Let's take a closer look. I'll be using BigQuery for this tutorial, but the syntax are similar across most SQL programs, so you can still follow along. If we look at the survey results, we discover the customer's favorite ice cream flavors and a rating scale from 1 to 5. 2 customers preferred vanilla, 2 preferred strawberry, and 3 chose chocolate as their favorite flavor. We're going to start with the mean. Because the mean is the same thing as the average, we will use the average function. I'm going to use it to find out which ice cream had the highest average rating. This could help understand the overall satisfaction level of the customer's favorite ice cream. Let's take a closer look at the syntax. First, we'll use the select statement to retrieve the favorite flavor column and calculate the average rating using the average function. We'll give this calculated value an alias mean rating to make it easier to read in the result. We'll use the from function to pick the table we want to query, and to get the mean rating for each unique ice cream flavor, we'll use the group by function with the favorite flavor column. This will group the data based on the ice cream flavors, and then the average function will calculate the average rating for each group. So in the end, we'll have a result that shows the mean rating for each ice cream flavor. This will give us valuable insights into which flavor are most liked by customers based on their ratings. After running the query, we'll find out that although chocolate was the most popular flavor, it also had the lowest rating. There could be many reasons for this. One reason could be that because chocolate is a popular flavor, customers may have higher expectations and rate it lower. Next, we'll explore the median, which represents the middle value in a list of numbers. The median is unaffected by extreme values, making it a good measure of the average. To find the median, you arrange the numbers in order and pick the middle one. Now let's look at the syntax to determine the mean rating for all the flavors combined. BigQuery doesn't have a median function, so instead we'll use the approx quantiles function. This function allows you to estimate the approximate median value for the entire data set. Let's start with the select function to choose the columns we want from the table. Next, we use the approx quantiles function, which is a statistical function in BigQuery to compute approximate quantiles for a given numeric column. Quantiles are often specified in increments of 25%, such as the 25th percentile, 50th percentile, which would be the median, and 75th percentile. These quantiles divide the data into 4 equal parts, each containing 25% of the data. The 2 inside the approx quantiles function specifies the number of quantiles we want to compute. Since we are interested in the median, we use 2 to calculate 2 quantiles. The offset 1 part of the syntax accesses the second element of the computed quantiles, which corresponds to the median value. For example, using an offset of 0 gives you the 25th, an offset of 1 gives you the 50th or the median, and an offset of 2 corresponds to the 75th. It may seem redundant that the 2 functions pick the median value, however, it allows for more flexibility when dealing with multiple quantiles. Finally, we use the as function to rename the results columns as median value. Putting it all together, this syntax retrieves the median value of the rating 1 through 5 column from the ice cream table. In this case, the median rating for all the flavors was 4. If the median rating for all the ice cream flavors is 4 out of 5, it indicates that on average, the ice cream flavors are generally well liked by the customers. Lastly, let's explore the mode, which helps us find the most frequently occurring value in a data set. While BigQuery doesn't have a direct mode function, we can achieve the same results using a different syntax. So let's find out which flavor is the most popular among our data set. First, we use the select clause to choose the favorite flavor column from the table. We will use the as function to rename the column as mode favorite flavor. Next, the front function specifies the table we want to query. We will then use the group by function to group the flavors. Next, the order by clause is used to sort the results based on a specific criteria. That criteria will be the count function, which counts the number of occurrences for each group. The descending function then sorts the groups in descending order based on the count of occurrences. Finally, the limit clause is used to restrict the number of rows returned by the query. In this case, we use limit 1 to get only the first row, which corresponds to the mode, the most popular flavor. In conclusion, we explore three essential measures of statistical analysis: the mean, median, and mode. The mean provides us with the average value, giving an overall understanding of the data set. The median offers the middle value, making it less affected by outliers. Lastly, the mode identifies the most frequently occurring value, revealing the most popular choice within the data. By understanding and utilizing these measures, we can gain valuable insights and make more informed decisions in our data analysis. If you are interested in creating a comprehensive case study that you can showcase to prospective employers, click on the link above or check out my video, Master Data Analysis, and create an impressive portfolio. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking the video. Your support not only helps the channel, but also helps me create more content. I hope I was able to earn your thumbs up, and thank you for watching.